My last video, because in my last video I dropped my phone. I was talking, and then you see
and what
what she said. We see it dropping and like my hand, and then it goes black. So I apologize. I don't remember what I was saying per se, but just
Must have been bullshit like she usually says.
Fuck you. So I guess basically I said like, you wanna go ahead, as long as you're not like a jerk or a bitch, but whatever. So we will. Oh, we have a fantastic view of one of the tourist attractions in Quebec.
Oh, the chocolate.
It's oh shit. Okay, good. I'm still filming. It's the Chateau Frontenac. It's called Mac.
It's a hotel, actually.
Yeah, it's called the Chateau, but it's actually a hotel.
Supposed to be a castle.
Yeah.
And
If you guys saw that movie, Lizard, I think. It's about like, it's a Christmas movie. It's about this girl who finds like a reindeer with Santa Claus, and Santa Claus lives. Well, we can't see because of the trees, but that's where Santa lives. It was his like castle. Yeah, my phone is about to die.
it's like my camera. That's why I stopped vlogging.
Yeah, but I just had to tell them.
No, I know.
You know, so I truly apologize. My phone has dropped so many times. Yeah. So I don't know how many times I dropped my phone. I dropped it once in the toilet. Yeah. And it still works. But it was clean water. I was able to get it.
Super.
Yeah. Thank you, phone. Okay.
Super.
Yeah, so I will end this vlog. So we will end this video with me saying goodbye. My other friend saying goodbye. Oh, my friend.
Wait. She's got for lovers, haters, and masturbators. Jimmy's old outro.
Yep. Yep. And with that, the lovely view of Quebec, like the St. Lawrence River, and the tree hiding in the Chateau Frontenac. So, goodbye.